All right, welcome to Looking at the Markets with me, David Moadel. Today we're going to discuss stop loss orders. To use a stop loss or not to use a stop loss? Well, this is hotly debated. Some people swear by stop loss orders, and some of us don't use them at all. Some of us use them sometimes. So let's talk about it. Here's something I've never heard any quote unquote stock market guru say before. It's okay to use stop losses, and it's okay not to use stop losses, as long as you decide before you make your trades and stick to whatever you decided. A lot of it depends on your time frame. If you're a day trader, then there's a good chance that stop losses will be part of your trading plan. If you're, on the other hand, a buy and hold investor with a decades-long time frame, then using stop losses might not fit into your plan. Another important factor is your ability to remain calm and unemotional when trades go against you. Easier said than done, right? Well, if you're going to lose a lot of sleep because a trade is going against you, then I highly recommend using stop loss orders, just for your sanity's sake. Yeah. It is important to note that stop losses are not perfect, and they have some limitations. Depending on your situation, they might not protect you from large overnight gap downs and gap ups. They can also turn a potential win into a loss that could have been prevented if you had just waited a little bit longer. This is one of the main reasons that I might not use a stop loss order in my trading. Yeah, markets are choppy, as we've seen lately, and will often stop you out before turning around and giving you a nice profit. Now, I've heard it said that institutions have algorithms, that purposely push the markets toward retail traders' stop loss orders. Evidently, they can do this because so many of us retail traders place our stops at round numbers, numbers with zeros at the end, or at commonly used moving averages, like the 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, so on and so forth. However, it's hard to know exactly how much truth there is to this claim. As a swing trader who is accustomed to trades that go against me in the beginning, I even expect it to happen that way, I oftentimes do not use stop loss orders. If I buy options, for example, I'll set the expiration date far out enough, we're talking about months here, not days or weeks, to give the trade plenty of time to move back in the right direction. I also use small position sizes for every trade I do. And this is practically a necessity if you're going to forego the stop loss orders. Ultimately, there's no right or wrong answer to whether or not you should use stop loss orders. The takeaway here is to have a plan beforehand. That means before you make the trade, and stick to that plan. I hope this was helpful to you. If you need more help with options, investing, stop loss orders, trading, or any other aspect of the markets, feel free to contact me. You can reach me by email anytime at davidmoadel@gmail.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll talk to you next time.